Love is the greatest thing that one can ever feel. Kaso, the greatest irony of love ay magmamahal ka ng tamang tao sa hindi tamang panahon or having the wrong person when the time is right. Tsaka mo lang malalaman na ang tamang tao para sa'yo ay wala na sa piling mo. Well, that makes love a fallacy. Kasi hindi lahat na nakikita mo about love seems to be the thing that you will experience. Sabi nga nila, there is nothing permanent but change. Lahat nagbabago.
Hindi lahat ng love story happily ever after. Dahil yung iba, hanggang once upon a time lang. Ganyan katindi ang pag-ibig. You love someone more than anything, masasaktan siya. You love someone lesser than expected, iisipin nilang wala kang pakialam sa kanila. Well, life is impossible.
Logic says everything in this world has a cause and an effect. True love is the only feeling which has its own cause and its own effect. It is something illogical and yet above all logic. I love her because I love her. And I love her, so I love her. Nakakatawa, di ba? Ang gulo at hindi mo maintindihan. Kasi ang pag-ibig ay parang lesson sa classroom. You will not fully understand it, pero as time goes by, maiintindihan mo din. Parang quizzes din or exams na kung hindi mo ibibigay yung full effort mo, ibabagsak ka talaga. But you know what are its good similarities? Well, you can have second chances.
Well, anyway, love is a fallacy. Kasi sabi nila, love can move mountains. Eh, hindi naman eh. Pero tama si Max Schulman. Love is a fallacy based on emotion or logic. Kasi hindi mo alam kung yung nararamdaman mo, totoo na ba talaga? Or maybe, it is just an infatuation or admiration.
Every feeling is true and deep when it is experienced beyond the level of just intellect. Sa sobrang in love mo, ay nagiging tanga ka na. That is when the hearts begin to feel the warmth of being close. The intensity of the true love is felt in the extreme sacrifice of the most precious possessions. Malalaman mong true love na kung willing mo nang sacrifice ang lahat, your time, efforts, and even yourself. Thereby, the true love enables one to give without expecting anything in return. The love of this category can be the real one because it does not look for a presumed love fate. Rather, it always remains sacrificial and let it happen by itself.
Ang pag-ibig ang pinakamakapangyarihang bagay sa mundo kasi
ang pag-ibig hindi parang cellphone. Pag naluma, papalitan. Ang pag-ibig hindi parang damit. Pag may bagong uso, papalitan. Kung sabi